What do you guys want? You addicted to grain? You say, go outside. You got grass. You just want grain? You ain't getting it. It ain't the time. You know it ain't the time. You know it ain't the time. Go do stuff. Go. Don't touch the grass. Eat it. Get. Get. Come on, go do something. Oh my donkeys. What are you staring at? What are you staring at? Can you have your baby or what? We want to see your baby. We want to see your baby. El burro. Make baby. Oh, I mean, have baby. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Would you guys go do something? All right, I'm gonna try to capture a baby. I'll get him running. Get you. Caught a baby. Oh my. Don't run into the wall. What are you doing, baby? Hair on your nose. Get. Go do something. What are you do? Smelling a baby's butt? I'm watching you. I seen it. We got it. You can go to jail. Nasty.